Yo, 2-1. I saw me do the thing, them and never lie. People, them, if you know any more, let me know how you can carry on going for more than an hour. If not, you only get 1 hour live. Then you have to repress record, yeah? So big up on them, I said them locked on, this is part 2, good for you. You done know, let's let some people them come in, you know, and yeah, man, Friday, you know, UK stinking hot. Yeah, blazing. They said the whole weekend gonna be blazing. So people them remember, you know, Corona is still around, COVID-19 don't ramp, you know. But I want people them to fall ill, you know. One love under the big sky, you don't know. Yeah, man, what they are saying, yeah, you have to just press back live again. You just get the 1 hour scene. So people, them, like I say, it's going to be hot this weekend. So make sure, you know, we're still on the corona stages. We're still COVID-19. But I want the people, them, to, you know, R.I.P. on us. Nah, man. I want to live life under the big sky. Lady Wendy Town. Want to big up on one love to you. Are you mean? Pam, pam. All right. This is the original Wonder Woman. Queen Kamala, do remember live August the 15th. You got a big lineup going out live across the media sites for Warriors for Peace. Yeah? You got the one veteran himself, Mr. King, Yellow Man. You got Phantom Moja, Luton Fire, Sativa the Black One. All it more, Queen Kamala herself will be live as well. So people, remember August the 15th. Going out live on the Instagram and the Facebook Live. Check for Queen Kamala, seen? Or come and check my Jamaican English and you'll see the link them going out live. UK Massive is going to be Saturday night about 10 p.m. UK time in Jamaica. About 4:30 is the kickoff, is the start-off time, yeah? So people remember, if you want to see the thing them live, you know, King Yellowman, Luton Fire, Phantom Moja, Sativa the Black One, Queen Kamala, all the lineup, Lady Kalisha, you know. Yo, she young but she big, you know. Yo, the voice is big. You done know, so come and check it live and direct it. Let's go.
Hey, Jamaican English, it's Queen Kamala. I just gotta let you know, I love you.
It is.
Jamaican English got the right vibes. They keep me going day and night. Nothing could feel much better than to kiss and caress and hold me tight. People keep saying that it wouldn't be right, but can stick together and fought the fight. You're a true blessing in disguise. God must have sent you in my life. I sing, I, waterproof sound me love. I, English all when me talk. I, you make me feel like a strong. I, you make me feel like I can be someone when I'm sad and lonely. Give me strength to overcome. Family and friends will fit.
Love to Lady Wendy on a bless up.
Yeah,
safe and sound, right?
It's reassure me. Nothing in this world can slow me down. Him said, I'm the queen from the city.
This is Queen Kamala.
They call Trenchtown. Remember
Parliament Trenchtown Massive, them on the left for no.
the way that they play.
Yo, Jamaica.
My ties with your rude boy swag and your strong physiques. Dub well play intelligently. You send chills up my spine and my knees get weak. Nothing comparing between the sheet. Whether day or night you got me reaching my peak. You got the key to make me fall asleep. Deep inside you make me wanna scream and sing. I, Jamaican English, yes me love. I, waterproof sound me choke.
Wanna watch you know?
Hey, you make me feel like a strong woman. You make me feel like I can be someone. Hey, hey, hey.
Jamaican English, for those who watch, some boy if you know say any of them disrespect, them all get boxing on them face. Pam pam, gunshot. UK crew, anywhere you come from, the big man himself. Jamaican English. Pushing your luck too far, King Tidal killed it, yeah. English. Don't push your luck with we. The plate will chop you up to pieces, crush you down to inches. Don't push your luck with we. The plate will slice you up to minces, crush you down to inches. Yo, me hear them a send threat and expect we for friend. English afraid and a bugger boy, we put them sound to rest. English a big boy don't play, That's why them sharp and cross. Anyone disrespect the program, we tell them about the brass. Hey, hype them a hype and them can't find tune. Hype them a big baboon. Hype and them can't find tune. Waterproof kill them soon. Yo, don't push your love with we. English will chop you up in pieces. Cut you down.
What am I say, King Tidal?
Don't push your luck with we. The plate will chop you up to pieces.
I saw we do the thing them. I saw we do the thing them.
Chatty mo selector. The girl them say you lose. You're never Jamaican English. That's why you end up lose. The people know from long time. The English the people choose. You and your son owner can never walk in a shoe.
I know say Jamaican English are the real boss. Yeah? I used to waterproof sound. Are the big bad sound. Ragazzi represent. Then I go 7 or 11 cause them touch about know what them shoulda never touch. We gonna pardon. Defend anytime waterproof now beg them not to pardon. This is the way how we roll. 7 or 11 cause them touch about know what them shoulda never touch. We gonna pardon. Defend anytime Jamaican English now beg them not to pardon. No make me tell you no something only come poor. Where you going on a carrion like you know what so pass the stage of commando. And parachute me wouldn't take a no. As me record, cause you no reach a grade. For fitting on me loop. And no can walk in a English. But me know it but no. To me attack out the truth. But apprentice is apprentice and a dope is a. Then I go 7 or 11 cause them touch about know what them shoulda never touch. We gonna pardon.
Ragazzi.
Anytime waterproof.
When I say Miami massive them.
This is the way how we roll. 7 or 11 cause them touch about know what them shoulda never touch. We gonna pardon. Defend it anytime Jamaican English now beg them not to pardon.
Jamaican English, what we tell them say no. I got so much dubs that I have to share. If I could sell my dubs, I'll be a billionaire. So much dub, waterproof them have to share.
Love to Lady Wendy, I mean blessings.
Will be
Pick up the whole family, right?
English, we got dub here, dub there, dub everywhere. Dub just a mash up the atmosphere. The amount of dub we have, people say it's unfair. We have it in a bungle and we have it in a pair. We give it all, we dub and we don't read.
Papa Beto.
It run out, we just draw for the spear. The amount of dub we
Tell her no.
make a nightmare. Waterproof
When I say around the world.
everywhere. So much dubs that we have to share.
We got the one like Quincy, my brethren on a big up.
We be a billionaire. English, we have so much love. Waterproof have to share. If I could sell my love, I'll be a millionaire. I figure to bandy girl, why you bandy band? The bandy can't tell me I'm not gift from God. Cry for the bandy girl, why the bandy band? Waterproof girls them, girl any man you want, you can't get. Face and take life on your body, on your body, on your body, on your body, on your body. Girl. I figure to why you bandy band. The bandy can't tell me I'm not gift from God. Cry for the bandy girl, why the bandy band? Waterproof girls them, girl any man you want, you can't get. Face and take life on your body perfect. Girl any man you need that. I can't have them all the money is a figure. Girl jump and say yes. Any man you want, girl you know you can't get. Face and take life on your body perfect. Anywhere you pass so. Hey Jamaican English with the girls them. Girls, real up. Can you know about road, girl clothes and can see some. Girl when you walk on road. Real up, come on the expensive and add. You know about
And the original Jigsy King.
girl, you meet the ear
One of Quincy. Lady Wendy on a bless up.
so you look nicer than them. The ear
Anyway, you're locked in from on a big up.
yeah, what me girls them there? English girl. Can come in the manty and ride. On the soon the on them don't look nice. Can they just can come in the manty and ride. Them a chat behind the back, but don't pretend no man. Girl, you look good, girl, Joe, you look nice. Girl out there run enough for them agree this. Fancy Susie and the one.
I think we got Silly Kitty, too much to mention.
Girl, ain't nothing but the real thing, baby. 1 million, I drive English crazy. Ain't nothing but the Jamaican English. Tell
Come on, listen up.
Girl, any more if you ever let him go. Them a sing off a DJ English. Any more if you ever let him go. Yo, what me girls them there? Girl, say y'all do it. Can a cute face it a do it? Y'all do it. Can a natural body it a do it?
Jigs the king.
A cute face it a.
Yeah, when I'm ready.
The sound I wanna hear in my life every day.
Now, not ready.
The sound I wanna hear. The sound I wanna.
We can't deal in Instagram with kilos.
Hear in my life.
Big heavy way up.
The sound I wanna hear.
Listen again.
The sound I wanna play. Waterproof. It's an murder crusade and if you test. Sound in your blood, you go beat, you not go live. Even if you get first aid, you are go dead. When we don't carry out the rage and go sound, you're standing in the ranks, what are you do? Come here with your one mouth and chat and you pure. Can't back the chat away, you got to what you know. English, him going show you how you quit. Fool, the clock at the soul. Chop it up, pow, 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 pow.
Love waterproof up in the ear, Jan Figo. Hear big tune, we're dropping a dance, you know. When we come a dance, it's like a fashion show. So help me sing, E-I-E-I-O. The girl them love Jamaican English flow. And them vibe sweet like me fat stamina. Girl from your
now, boy, listen up.
Is a toe just
when put it on them.
Jamaican English girls, how them fi chat up in your face and them a hoo-ha-ha. Every day them just up in the same hoo-ha. Love waterproof up in the ear, Jan Figo. Hear big tune, we're dropping a dance, you know. When we come a dance, it's like a fashion show. So help me sing, E-I-E-I-O. The girl them love Jamaican English. Love waterproof up in the ear, Jan Figo. Hear big tune, we're dropping a dance, you know. When we come a dance, it's like a fashion show. So
this is the veteran Hawkeye.
Yeah, the girl them love Jamaican English flow. And them vibe sweet like me fat stamina. Girl from you know your shoes not squeeze a toe. Just
when I ready, when I ready.
Jamaican English girls, how them fi chat up in your face and them a hoo-ha-ha. Every day them just up in the same hoo-ha. From you say them me say she no wash her hoo-ha-ha. Ah-ha-ha, hoo-ha. How them fi chat up in your face and them a hoo-ha-ha. Every day them dress up in the same hoo-ha. From you see them me say she no wash her hoo-ha-ha. You see Jamaican English, let me tell you. Them say them a shut aside English and take fences. Them scared when they made the siren the ambulances. Big up all original gangs and no enses. Waterproof sound bosses in every instances. Keep clocking them, watching them through my lenses. Telling out some punks who we do not keep friends with. It is Jamaican English and the waterproof. Now this we a go tell some clown. Just like we, how they say them have if you boss it up like we. Them say we bother them, but shut them not bother we. We all a boss it and the punk, them a flee. So me know say none of them not bad sound for we. How they say them have if you boss it up like we. Them say we bother them not bother we. Not bother we.
Well, that's some out of the play we a bring for them. We let them know Jamaican English, not scared of them. We know me blessings and Jaja him provided them. Take me for your punk till me drop this, don't play on them. And the rest of me, Jaja, you not tease them. Don't play it, I hit them hard, Jaja say face spank them. Line them up one by
love to Lady Wendy.
Clash them.
Donna Quincy more fire.
Let them mess Jamaican English, not scared of them mess. Enough dog a bar, but me not feel no bite yet. Anytime you want step, make sure you step.
Bayesian Mafia, you're my Barbados massive.
Man a real Rasta man, we no deal with chicken yet. As a Ethiopian, me never lose no war yet. Waterproof sound, not take no disrespect. Jamaican English, not take no disrespect. From your start to select the vibes not drop yet. This is one dub play, you will never forget me sing. Waterproof sound, give thanks and praises to Jah. Give thanks and praises to Jah each and every day.
Pam pam.
Waterproof sound. Give
hey, no matter where they're locking, tapping. I'm new to Instagram, right?
Jah.
That's why I rise up.
Feel and you just not come off. You know, say them soft. Pain pound wall rub off. They make the foot chick them and tell them to run off. Got click, 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 waterproof. On the buckle feel and you just not come off. The sound them soft. Pain pound wall rub off. They make the foot chick them and run off. Still water lake feel over with them fake like the China rice. Light bulb, do angle, burn them on. Jamaican English. No silver gold bangle, but a yard, but a brad, hot a road, the jungle, you move your job, move. Green man go 5 grand, walk to you. Bad friend relinquish. Tell them on the battlefield and we just not come off.
Alright, I'm ready. Watch how me line it up.
And power.
Walk on.
They make them
get some drink. Gonna burn some fire.
laugh. Click, click, click. We not gonna miss. Anyway, them white surfers, workers, live like the frog.
Jigsy King.
I will try that. Search.
And the veteran artist, you know him from the 90s. Boomlick.
Where Sweden. Magda.
A Boomlick.
Out like the weekend. Cold breeze. Spearton. Burback. Portmore. Wheelchair. Sit still. Wig shift. Tech Jill. Four can. Rabbit foot. Big Bill. Chainsaw Jason. Cuban Matolda. White line when me have. Nessa me Sosa. Waterproof and kill them. On the battlefield and you just not come off.
Jamaican English. Oh, I'm to some little sound boy. What we say already? We have done them in a Spanish. Okay. I say enough of them if we go jump overboard. This waterproof and get the plate unload. Enough of them if we go jump over. Hey, follow them friend and come this. Hey, one who run street and who run the broad road. Hey, waterproof man from a. Hey, tell your ninja man and him son ninja for. Hey, long with predator who ugly like. Hey, wicked and bad show them a wear. Hey, when they hear me don't let them run. Hey, say enough of them if we go over. Hey, this waterproof and get the plate unload. Them if we go jump. Hey, follow them friend and come this day. And the music keep a secret that is confidential. Love me up. Hey, loyal. Long time me got tell some little. Hey, before me stop them breath and sink them like. Hey, food is not a gun back to live. Hey, I know comfy trace and exalt like a fat gal. You plate me, I give them from them mess with me material. Run down all your idol, worship like a tidal. Lyrical or physical, man ready for this rival. Babylon war is not local, get international. Gone universal for the
Sir Ninja Ford.
Ursal cinema kill like a cannibal. Food of the general feed.
Jerry, you know where they big up.
Some boy are so
Silly Kiddy, you know the flavor.
Enough of them if we go jump overboard. This waterproof and get the plate on board. Enough of them if we go jump overboard. Follow them friend anyway. Hey, whoa,
why? The sound I go down, waterproof. Tell them 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Say 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Once upon a time. Get it up. Hey, whoa.
Yeah, the big man himself, Silky D. When you ready for this, your one. Yeah, waterproof sound.
Tell them.
What we do to them?
5, 10, or 15.
Love to Wendy.
25.
Wanna bless up, turn up the sound.
Sound I got.
Easy Quincy, the fire's hot.
Hot. Proof I kill them easy. Say 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I got dead. Waterproof I kill them easy. Once upon a time, someone lose their mind. Try test the waterproof. Try test the waterproof. Yes, JamaicanEnglish kill them. Oh well, hey, them hoping every day to play like waterproof. JamaicanEnglish kill them. English you kill them. Yes, murder in the law.
Quincy say fire.
Hey, play what you're playing and do what you're doing. Cause waterproof have some dumpling sound. Why your money can buy. Cause whoa, yeah, I love his little son of mine,
English straight and him no lean up. But no sound boy where your picnic clean up. With little picking in over that team up. No bring them in your ski.
Quality majority.
One boy left the little pick me alone. Little girl when school over you fig home. And no make no boy you check you with no ice cream cone. Just put up on a hand in the air if you know with me. Me no what? No little pick me. 20, 30, 40 or 50. Now them age group they fit me. English straight and him no lean up. But a sound boy where your picnic clean up. With little bikini you no fit team up. Now bring them in or you scheme up. Cause England straight and London no lean up. So we burn a boy.
Woo! Quality majority.
With little bikini.
Yeah, man. Big up all the crew. Then big up Parish.
And English
Entertainment. Shy Parish on the big up.
All child.
Big up Base Planet.
With
Bite Radio.
a boy molester.
Stop the crime and violence.
Little dirty red.
Warriors for peace.
Jamaican.
Waterproof sound.
Yo, no little school girl can't come beat me up. Fi make me friend them stop from rate me up.
All right, myself, when I'm ready.
This man one country.
He's the Quincy.
Hey, Jamaican English. Tell them say we straight and we no lean up. But a sound boy where your picnic.
Put up some speaker.
Little bikini you no fit team up. No bring them in and you scheme up. Scheme up. Scheme up. Scheme up. Scheme up. Scheme up. Scheme up.
Whoa, la ta 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 ta. This is Colonel Campbell, the original Gargan, and I'm very proud to present to you DJ Jamaican English, the musical general. Hey, kick it. Whoa,
I know say waterproof sound, me original Dan Gargan out here. The original.
There ain't no trick in the book, waterproof don't know. Yeah. Don't laugh at him cause you're the puppy show. So
listen again.
He was nothing.
Colonel Campbell. Gonna kick out your teeth.
Now your game is played on you. Sound boy. There ain't no trick in the book. Waterproof don't know. What ta 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 ta.
There ain't no trick.
You reach
I'm a magician out here, full of magic.
Sound boy. He's a lion in his king, his king, his king, his king, his king. Woo! Whoa, la ta 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 ta. This is Colonel Campbell, the original Gargan, and I'm very proud to present to you DJ Jamaican English, the musical general. Hey, kick it. Whoa!
Oh God, and a mercy. You see the Queen coming to the place and bless me up. Queen Kamala.
There ain't no trick in the book, waterproof don't know.
Them can't stop me.
Don't laugh at him.
Me unstoppable Queen Kamala.
Oh.
Pam pam, hey.
You thought that he was nothing, but I know he is something. Bye-bye. Now you're
when you ready for it? When you ready for it now?
Sound boy.
Rule boy.
There ain't no trick in the book. Waterproof don't know. What ta 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 ta.
Good God.
A wise man say you reap just what you sow.
Big up all warriors for peacefully up.
In his kingdom, he couldn't be here without his wisdom. Bye bye. Now your game is played on you. Sound boy. I say bye bye. Pack up and run when they could dip it. Sound boy. Waterproof are the #1 sound. I can't Campbell say so, Lord of mercy. There ain't no trick in the book, waterproof don't know.
Splashing and dashing.
A wise man say you
love to Wendy.
You so.
I mean Wendy on a bless up long time.
He's a lion in his kingdom. He couldn't be here without his dub plates. Bye-bye. Now your game is played on you, sound boy. There ain't no trick in the book, waterproof don't know.
Watching the music is life and life is music, but you know your device of Silky Smooth, they don't say no play around thing. We say watching the Jamaica English, watching the big sound, we say waterproof sound. Big sound, people sound, champion sound. Oh, yeah. Waterproof sound, my God, been killing sounds long, long, long time. Growing stronger every day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt. Waterproof are the champion sound.
Pum pum.
Each morning brings the sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On waterproof you can rely. Waterproof I go kill your sound. Waterproof I go murder your sound. Lick off your head crown. Waterproof I go murder your sound. Your sound is nothing but a come around. When the dark clouds arrive, Jamaica English never leave your side. I know that he be alright. Waterproof are the Watching music is life and life is music, but you know your device of silky play around thing. So watching a Jamaica takes and big sound. Sound. Champion sound.
Remain well.
Sound. My God, been killing sounds long time. Growing strong day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt. Waterproof are the champion sound. Watching the music is life and life is music, but you know your device.
The flowers bloom in springtime.
We say watching a Jamaica English, watching a big sound. We say waterproof sound. Big sound.
Stronger every day now.
Waterproof sound. My God, been killing sounds long time. Growing stronger every day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt. Waterproof are the champion sound. As each morning brings the sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On waterproof you can rely. Waterproof I go kill your sound. Waterproof I go murder your sound. Lick off your head crown. Waterproof I go murder your sound. Your sound is nothing but a come around. When the dark clouds arrive, Jamaica English never leave your side. I know that it be alright. What are the number one sound? There be heartaches and pain. Sound boy, but through it all, waterproof will remain.
I mean.
Well.
We got Queen Kamala, Pam Pam.
We all know.
Original silky smooth, this, you know.
Champions go, but through the years I know. Waterproof are the ruling sound. And in the end you'll find a sound so beautiful and divine. We murder sounds for a lifetime. Waterproof, I go kill your sound.
Alright, massive, them locked on me when you do one thing. When I say pam pam for me, let me just liven up the place a little more. When you're ready, because it's a Friday, we come to the weekend. Yeah, man, I done all the sound them, yes. All around them, yes. Pam pam, when you listen to this, you want to jump up. When I say jump up, I say pam pam, jump up.
Hey, yo, this is Bandulu representing for Waterproof Sound. Make them know say you can't drown or fall down. You are already grown and never go frown. And you are the mothers in our town. Remember me, Bandulu, said that Waterproof Sound. Them can't take you for clone. See it? Yeah. Waterproof Sound, man, so please give me some more. You make the guy them butter just flip on the floor. Yes, got a something no sound can't ignore. Waterproof on a fire. Now retire. One bag of sound, red try knock on your door. Waterproof Sound are the one where I score. Every spot in a dance and you come fit blow. Waterproof Sound fire.
When you're ready for heat it up.
The boy try test waterproof, show the middle finger. Excitement cause the sound it a linger. Heart a beat fast like the one of a sprinter. Waterproof, no boy can run with a thing, yeah. See them get frightened from them watch you through the window. Still some soul man brag up on Insta. Waterproof sound hotter than chincha. Long time we know say you are winner. Waterproof some man, so please give me some more. You make the guy them but I just flip on the floor. Yes, got a something no sound can't ignore. Waterproof on a fire, now retire. One bag of sound red try knock on your door. Waterproof sound are the one where I score. Every spot in a dance and you come fit blow. Waterproof sound fire. Once so you push the thing forward. Yeah, enough of them so move like coward. Yeah, them say you too out of order. Yeah, them whisper in your ear say them want that. Waterproof sound you a spark of a fire.
Bandulu.
You may never get.
When I big up P Skinner.
Remove where you do it.
Daddy English.
Approve so much.
When I must navigate a specky original.
Oh man, so please give me some.
Hey.
You make the guy them but I just flip.
You got the Ragga Twins anyway them there.
That's something no sound can
you know.
Approve on a fire.
Queen Kamala say pam pam.
Back a sound red try knock on your door. Waterproof sound are the one where I score.
But wait.
That dance and you come fit blow. Waterproof sound fire. Never tire.
English step out that like chili pepper seed. Waterproof sound in a top league. Jamaican English kill sound fast and furious. Lead top speed. Oh God, everybody say Jamaican English lead. English step out that like chili pepper. English step out that like English. Step out that like chili pepper seed. Waterproof sound in a top league. Jamaican English kill sound fast and furious. A few dubs them a lead. Top speed, oh God, everybody say Jamaican English beat them so bad. He never do it willfully, so why everybody get so mad. Oi, Jamaican English a take over. And that them the woman afraid over. Oh, yes you a take over.
I mean Spotless the fresh boss.
Watcha. Yes you a.
Yeah man, we got Shambam and they wish you there.
Upset over. Jamaican English, tell them you take over. Bama Jack take over. I don't know why everybody get so curious. Jamaican English I move fast and furious. We touch the street, I just lie and few with us. Who stick with me, just a pray they make it true with us. Watch you know they say them this, but we know them that behind your back. They wanna chat, they want to say flat boy not turn back waterproof, taking it to the top. Tell them 2019 you turn it to match. They say finish them now say the thing shot, watch out. Jamaican English I take over. And that them the woman afraid over. Oh, yes you a take over. And that them the woman boss sweat over. Oh,
one love to Mr. Sir Ninja Ford. That guidance and blessing, pam.
Them see say you a take over.
Yeah man, we got Queen Kamala.
Can English.
We got Lady Wendy, we got Quincy Madonna.
In the street but a smart car, you know silly Billy. All over the ocean like Free Willy. Today you the UK, tomorrow you the Philly. Fresh, them not like how Jamaican English a step. Them try to be obstacle, you all left. They start the game, their face don't look the same. He mafia, them what's the dilly, and I just because English a take over. That them know I'm a oh, he ma take over. That some little jump and a free. Yes, you a take over.
What's in this one to Warriors of Peace? Steve Taluk, Family Bizu, Base Planet, Queen Kamala, and a big up.
I've been going round in circles. Know what the DJ they can find. English, you're blowing their mind. You have them going round in circles.
What do you mean?
The DJ they can find.
Right.
Can English blowing their mind.
Yo, Steve Taluk, this Sunday, 9 p.m. live interview, Big Bud Show. Steve Taluk. ByteRadioUK.com on Sunday. This Sunday. Live interview. Check it out. Listen.
I've been going round in circles. Know what the DJ they can find. English, you're blowing their mind. You have them going round in circles. Know what the DJ they can find. Jamaican English blowing their mind. Ever since they made an exit, told you they wanna quit. There's this void in their lives, they just can't survive. They must admit they've made all these mistakes. You won't give them a blight, they won't get another try. You have them going round in circles.
We got Steve every time I bless him. I know you work hard, my brother. Warriors for peace, stop the crime and violence.
You have them
we have the Wonder Woman right here, Queen Kamala, and a bless up. Do remember Massive going out live August the 15th. Across Facebook and Instagram. You're gonna get the veteran artist, Mr. Big Man himself, King Yellow Man. Gonna come and bless down, stop the crime and violence. Going out live. You can't miss King. Yeah, you can't miss Yellow Man.
You have the air.
Yeah, I may have to pay more than £25 in the UK to go and see Yellow Man last year. And you're going to go and see him right now. Lyrics up the place for free.
Feel them now.
Also Luton Fire.
Them watching.
Phantom Moja, Sativa the Black One.
Them going round in
Queen Kamala herself.
Know what the DJ did.
The wonderful lady Kalisha. Yo, she little but she big. Talawa.
Going round in circles.
Hey. August the 15th, going out live, Facebook and Instagram.
Waterproof, you're blowing their mind.
Steve Taluk right now, this artist, catch him there as well. Let's go.
Hey!
We played it earlier, but we pop it off.
That's a Jamaican English. We're tired of the crime and the violence we're going, you know. Jamaican, we're tired of the crime and the violence. You man, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community keep We fed up of the crime and the violence. We people, come we make a difference. Leaders, they make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Hey, waterproof for them a chuck it so. With the Glock in a them and them a bust it so. Kill it then I go let it go. All them putting people like this pain and sorrow. Even dealing not care about tomorrow. And I put the house when the law bingo. Hey!
Senator Road, Queen Kamala.
This is me as a Jamaican English.
Let me push out the blessing, right? Heat up the place with some fire.
Jamaican, we tired of the crime and the violence. You man, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent? We fed up of the crime and the violence.
August the 15th, don't miss it.
We make a difference.
Queen Kamala, the showdown live.
Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Hey, waterproof for them a chuck it so. With the Glock in a them and them a bust it so. Kill it then I go let it go. All them putting people like this pain and sorrow. Them living daily not care about tomorrow. But I hell and for the house when the law bingo. Shedding innocent blood.
Yeah, I love Jamaica. One of Jamaican Independence Day yesterday. Keep the fire going.
Tired of the crime and
it's the weekend, right?
You man, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent?
Black Lives Matter.
Top of the crime and the
R.I.P. George Floyd, Friendly Giant.
Friends, leaders, they make a pledge.
What am I saying? Where you tune him from?
Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Why so much victim? Boxing, but every day them youth and nappies. I take them bread off your target, practice range. Bomb to the youth and tongue and eagle down a grange. Seems like some loose and question I can't get no answer. Don't a mobile, Glen Devon and Damka. And down a town, I said that them a man. Hey, come and present the big.
Yo, loud the violence. Jamaica. I remember the days when man and woman used to watch. This one by myself, Jamaican English. Night, the heartbeat. Good Jamaica, loud the violence. And the food turn up. One before stop the crime and violence. The man turn up. Peace, me want peace in a Jamaica. Me want to be good, me have to tell you no. Loud the violence, people come take a van. Loud the silence, here want me tell you no. Peace, me want peace in a Jamaica. Me want to be good, me have to. Loud the violence, people come van. Loud the silence, here. The island's so sweet, everybody, every day it gets so hot. Why you have to bring the don't make sense, rat-a-ta-ta on repeat. Burn up the fire, but the life not complete. And drink beer, liquor, and them can't even speak. In these year times, it's crazy on the street. Jamaica, me beg on. People come from foreign, no holiday, me tell. Yo, loud the violence. Jamaica. I remember the days when man and woman used to walk street. And late night, the heartbeat. Reggae music, how them do it. And the food turn up, and the girl turn up, and the weed turn up, and the man turn up. Peace, me want peace in a Jamaica. Me want to be good, me have to tell you no. Loud the violence, people come take a van. Loud the silence, here want me tell you no. Peace, me want peace in a Jamaica. Me want to be good, me have to tell you no. Loud the violence, people come take a van. Loud the silence, here want me tell you no. The island's so sweet, everybody, every day it gets so hot. Why you have to bring the heat? It don't make sense, rat-a-ta-ta on repeat. And people are burn up the fire, but the life not complete. And drink beer, liquor, and them can't even speak. In these we got my Friday people on the street. This one by myself, Jamaican English. Wanna listen up. Peace, me want peace in a Jamaica. Don't let it be good, me have to tell you no. Loud the we want peace. Give a hand, loud the silence, here what me tell you no. Peace, me want peace. Don't let it be good, me have to tell you no. Listen up, listen up. Come take your hand, loud the silence, here what me tell you no. Gangster, put down your gun and open up the shop, make your money, them flow like the Duns River run. You know up the ghetto youth in every crevice and every parish to live your life and don't be a savage. Life over death, tell them I told yes your last breath. Good for Jamaica, reggae in Jamaica, sun in Jamaica, we party in Jamaica. Peace, me want peace in a Jamaica. No one if it be good, me have to tell you no. Loud the violence, people come take it for hand. Loud the
violence, people come take your hand. Now the silence here, what me tell you, 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 what me tell you.
It's oneness again in the world. Never want the place to enjoy yourself, come to Jamaica.
Listen up.
What you gonna do with this pandemic?
Listen up.
Just come and visit Jamaica, Jamaica. What you gonna do when this lockdown is over? Come and visit my island. Hey, what you gonna do when this pandemic is over? Just come and visit Jamaica.
Original snapper chef.
Gonna do when the lockdown.
Anyway, you're tuning from tapping your Instagram. Yo, Makilos.
From Port Royal to Duns River. From Spanish Town to Old Harbour. You hear the reggae just a come through the Twitter. You couldn't find another country where sweeter. See the jerk on there, go catch a potion. Stop on the road and buy a piece of roast yam. And if I grade you want put up your right hand. Let me show you what the real herbs man. Big ship sailing on the ocean, Freddy. Stone love don't string up a weddy. Every woman want a carving from Fern Gully. A real friend them say them want a real body. What you gonna do when this corona over? Take a trip, come to Jamaica, Jamaica. What you gonna do when the pandemic is over? Come and visit my island. Aye, what you gonna do when this pandemic is over? Just come and visit Jamaica, Jamaica. What you gonna do when the lockdown is all over? Come and visit my island. The sun is shining on the beach. Come look us walk it up from the grill to Kingston. I saw the vibe now. Take a taxi or a JUTC bus. If you come feel like up,
me tell you no. What you gonna do when Corona's finished and done? Going to Jamaica?
The sunshine.
Yeah, man, big up all the massive them wanna bless up.
What you gonna do?
No one love, yeah, you me miss home.
Hey, take a trip, come on.
If you miss Jamaica, pam pam.
You gonna do when this lockdown is?
That's Snapper Chef.
Come on.
You got Source Fire Mission on Fire Entertainment.
This pandemic is over.
The wonderful woman behind the stage for Bad Mind Rhythm.
What you gonna do when this lockdown?
What you gonna?
Come and visit my island, 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 island.
We send no challenge and we review none. We send no challenge.
Some boy, we are done. You want to come check waterproofsound, and then you are dead. How will I do? You want to come try Jamaican English, because you know that we are the wickedest thing around town. So you better go sit down.
Original rule boy Leroy Chrome.
What
you mean? Off the album Mud Up Life, listen to dub.
Fire for your sound boy, fire for them God. Them want come this waterproof sound. Oh yes, oh yes. Fire for your sound boy, fire for them God. Them want come this waterproof sound.
Oh yeah, listen up now, listen up, turn it up.
Yes, oh yes. Them a disrespect and no care. Waterproof I put them in fear. Tell them Almighty God in the near. Sound boy, you better beware. Set the fire in a Zion, we are steer. And we are push it back till I see I cheer. And we are push it like we don't care. Sound boy, you better beware. Fire for your sound boy, fire for them God. Them want come this waterproof sound. Oh yes, oh yes. Fire for your sound boy, fire for them God. Them want come this waterproof sound. Oh yes, man get uptight when we tell them say them wrong. To them I make them nuclear weapon. I saw they want we fi catch we afraid. I you and them have the angle and I have the blade. Them I make spaceship to go Mars. Oh they want
Leroy Chrome.
stars. Any of the live one.
Pick up his new album Mud Up Life out.
Fire for your soul, boy, fire for them God. Them want come this waterproof sound. Oh yes, oh.
Oh.
Fire for your soul, boy, fire for God.
Oh.
Them want come this waterproof sound. Oh yes.
What we do to them?
Them a disrespect and no care. Waterproof I put them in fear.
Whoosh.
I tell them Almighty God in the near. Sound boy you better.
When am I say Tez P?
The fire do my head we are steer. And we are push it back till I see I.
Hey, hey,
We are
hey,
like
hey, hey, and a mercy.
you better be with, be with, be with, be with.
When me say waterproof sound, me say DJ Jamaican English. Manas. You know this is your truly Chris me say AKA because I'm a chuck. A long time can go waterproof. Could have some sound here, man. Got some boy later on there, you know. guy. Hey, song guy. Cause I know it's late. And I know you weary. I know you're planning. But down into the week, still here we are. I want to prove it's playing. You're longing for shelter. All that we see. But why should we worry? And no sun will kill us. Look at waterproof. So far away. We got tonight. Who needs tomorrow?
Little Chris original.
We got tonight.
Do you remember Catch Me Sunday by Radio 2 till 5? Lovers Rock Revival and Dub Strictly.
I want to prove you're killing.
Hey!
All of the fans are faded away. Still I can remember when we were there. When I didn't care for any song but you. And what to prove, I swear. You taught me everything I know. I can't imagine the sound, so I can't imagine anything. The two of us.
Lord of mercy.
Those years, I want to prove never let us down. You just turned the dance around. I'm so glad I stay right here. I stay with you, with you, with you, with you.
Jamaican English, and I satellite and that's it. Waterproof sound, my sound, the people's sound. Rastafari lives and rule and reign. Yeah! Rastafari lives and rule and reign over all living things. Kill the waterproof sound. Waterproof big sound.
Original satellite.
Jamaican English. No, we go calling, calling. Call the undertaker. Take them away to the nearest cemetery. Calling, calling. Call the undertaker. English now. No, we go calling, calling. Call the undertaker. Take another to the nearest cemetery. Calling, calling. Call the undertaker. Waterproof.
Get wicked.
Evacuate the premise.
Leave.
Sound boy. Oh, you dead now.
Hey, hey, hey.
Evacuate the premises.
Get out of here.
Move a plane now. Evacuate the premises. You dibby, so you dead now. Evacuate the premises. You jump and sound just dead. Try to test the waterproof sound. Sound boy, you in great danger. DJ English is serious. Right, I know he's gonna charge from her.
Me telling a satellite.
You try to test the rock and muffin sound, yeah. Jump and can't you see?
Lord.
Down. Can't you feel the heat from Jamaican English? Ready to melt you like butter.
Veteran artist.
Evacuate the premises. Sound boy. You dead now, you dead now, you dead now, you dead now.
I want to prove. I'm going to tell some little dibby sound boy no better move. Yeah, yeah, me. DJ Jamaican English. Your dub plate make some son boy talk French and Spanish. Yeah, man. You don't know. Original Super Black is here. Yes, I go very there.
Veteran artists. Super Blacks.
Meaning. Love wood, all the while jump and come in at the dance. I go on like them big and them brown. But sound fraud, I want you to know waterproof of the kill line at the dance. And in my baby, cause them run up them out in my east, west, north and south in my bury them. Yes, waterproof in my bury them. Oh, well, cause many sound up, try to test, many sound up, try to compete. Waterproof, just use a dub plate. Sound boy get coffee plus read. I bury them. Get Jamaican English, bury them. Run up them out in my bury them. East, west, north and south in my bury them. Big bad.
When I say Instagram.
Them. In a this a dance in my bury them.
We got BiteRadioUK.com.
And I mean it. Waterproof.
We got Bass Planet.
Boy, how smooth.
We got Warriors of Peace.
In it. Any sound test.
Love to Queen Kamal and the full crew.
Hood, all the while.
This is Waterproof Sound.
To let that sound.
And now we touch down new to this Instagram.
Proof him knocking teeth. Sound boy get them coffee plus read. As
them at top of the line. This waterproof sound and them that same time. Them cannot forget it, they cannot deny. Couldn't claim conspiracy, them can't say a lie. The cameraman was standing by and video the party when I jump and die. English should jump and dub the like thunder. Chop it on a tin pan sound.
Yeah, the original teacher D.
They run, chop it next.
You better do some homework, bridging and sistering.
Proof sound, you drop this.
Teacher D.
Chop it on a jump and sound.
How you know, so you pepper them.
Make them run. What selector road?
Outer road.
Make them run. Did you see when the dub play release? Selector run up and down like a Lego.
Outer road.
Selector we talk about him tough like concrete. A dub play tryna cut them. The revelation. Everybody see the explanation. Them can't come defeat. Waterproof sound or Jamaican English. Tell anyone we try no fi do it. Cause English a jump and dub down like thunder.
Waterproof sound. DJ Jamaican English. Tony Curtis represent. For the man that said Jigsy King.
Now you're not one of the artists are the greatest
right,
you this.
Make it run,
DJ Jamaican English.
Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, DJ Jamaican English, I'm a brother.
Jamaican English.
The greatest you.
Waterproof and murder. Some jambalina.
Wicked every time.
Got some dancey style. Jamming everybody.
Right on the wall, run. Run away.
Got some that will last. And I got heard that.
DJ Jamaican English.
We are the champion. Waterproof.
DJ Jamaican English. You know what? You know you're big, you're bad and heavy. Any boy this so tonight, them are gonna be 60 ball. You know you're big, bad and heavy. Hey, DJ Jamaican English. Oh, you never trouble them and them come trouble your house. I got the people on the wicked and the tonight, you know they must find it. And them are dark and them are dumb. Sit to the night about the night. And they dance all the little. Hey. Shut up, them up, me know them can't touch us. What no sound never did.
Waterproof sound.
Never
DJ
play one tune
Jamaican.
when they never hear yet.
The man that said Jigsy King.
Now you're not one of the artists and the greatest you this. DJ Jamaican English.
Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, DJ Jamaican English, I'm a brother.
Jamaican English.
The greatest youth.
Waterproof and murder. Some jambalina.
Wicked every time, you know.
Got some dancey style. Jamming everybody.
Massive in England.
No wonder.
Right on the wall, run. Run, go away.
Waterproof jam some doubly that.
This is the original Tiny Curtis and Jigsy King 2 for 2. Listen.
We are the champion. Waterproof.
DJ Jamaican English, you know what? You know you're big, you're bad and heavy. Any boy this so tonight, them are gonna be 60 ball. You know you're big.
When my 90s man them. Woman.
Jamaican English. What am I saying? Oh, you never trouble them and them come trouble your house. I got the people on the wicked and the foot. Tonight, you know they must find the house. And them attack and
Listen to the passion in the voice.
Send me the night and bounce the night home. Can they dance all the little fool and no one? I just them up, you know them.
A waterproof sound touch.
Make it all England waterproof.
Competition. We run the
lighter.
Burn some Friday flame.
Huh?
When I think I joke.
We are the favorite. One waterproof and best.
DJ Jamaican English.
That we will murder sound in there.
Oh, yeah, me don't know.
The country long the school.
Waterproof sound. It is a number one sound. And it will break you down. One dub plate kill 50 sound. Waterproof sound. It is a number one sound. And it will break you down. One dub plate kill 50 sound. Waterproof I run the place with the plate. Son boy better pack up cause it's too late. Jamaican English you can't drive. Every talks from waterproof well straight. You can't win this a clash with no tough face. Because the waterproof sound no fear screw face. Say you a bad sound but you a
Lord.
Get
I hear the dub them.
Like a shoes lace. Waterproof sound.
Marvelous the engineer.
And it will break you down.
How you mean?
Kill 50 so.
How many?
Waterproof sound.
Hey.
This a number one sound.
Well, it's a Friday feeling.
Break you down.
Alright, you know we have some veteran around here.
Kill 50 so.
Waterproof sound. I was a DJ Jamaican English. I will not talk about no Spanish. This is Irving Town in Dawson, the champion sound. Waterproof sound. The champion sound. Where you say I go on, no man? Make them know this for real, man. Where you say? Kill and you kill and you kill and you kill a song boy. Waterproof play.
Oh.
Kill and you kill and you kill.
When I say love dub,
song boy.
all of my dub man and woman, all the sound and woman.
Waterproof killer sound boy for real. Waterproof killer sound boy for real. You test the waterproof, you get a raw deal. Yeah.
Zareb.
Waterproof of the champ.
We got Silky D, my brother.
Waterproof of the champ.
I mean top notch.
You test the waterproof, you get a raw deal.
Hey.
Yeah. Jah will answer our prayer in a minute or an hour. He will rise be higher. Give us our desire.
We can't have that much long left before the countdown comes.
Fire.
You only get 1 hour with Instagram. And this is part 2.
You only make
so massive that me done not to log into Jamaican English. Waterproof sound. Anyway, me there just tap in.
Waterproof.
Alright.
For real. Waterproof killer sound boy for real.
Around us. Waterproof sound. We that born. Girls around us. More rum. Yo, a silk and rum and gala have fun. Big spliff roll up, you know we are fun. Silk and rum and gala have fun. Lord, God make the party run. Silk and rum and gala have fun. Big spliff roll up, you know we are fun. Silk and rum and gala have fun. Lord, God make the party run. For me walk up in a the venue. Hard up all Ray and him nephew. Give me some silk with that. When you pour me glass, yes, boss, me have a friend too. Y'all slip and smirn up. And I wine till the night you a burn up. Don't turn up in the turn up. So make sure you're standing firm, boss. Cause later on, we no want hear no cry. Cause when the baby we give pacifier. Fire. Spliff done light so you know we get in a your pack. Silk and rum and gyal have fun. Big spliff roll up, you know we are bun. Silk and rum and gyal have fun. Waterproof. Yo, silk and rum and gyal have fun. Big spliff roll up, you know we are bun. Silk and rum and gyal have fun. Waterproof. Get your silk, get your rum. Come, have fun. Round ya eat on up and we not turn it down. Still a party.
Extra XX10 Brooklyn massive.
Past 21.
When I'm ready now.
Get me round the
You're extra, you ready for them?
No beer.
No, you're ready, rude boy.
So you know
when am I so diligent?
You hear this a song. Silk and rum and gyal have fun. We stay strapped.
X10 on them.
What? Who da killer with the guns? English. Who da killer with the guns? English. Who da killer with the guns? English. From waterproof sound. English. People up on your block, take a grizzly. Toss them rocks, money.
Massive, we out of here. 20 seconds left. Remember, waterproof sound, so me represent, so me tap in.
Now quint, dirty like blink.
We out of here. Peace and love to your crew.
Like the meat, and me whips them fiery. Long